Did you accidentally delete the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC? Here's how you can restore it in no time. Press Windows key plus R to open Run, type PowerShell, and hit Control plus Shift plus Enter. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Now paste this command in Windows PowerShell and hit Enter. I have added the command to the video's description. Just copy it and run it. It's completely safe. Press the Windows key, type Xbox, and open the app. Wait for it to load. Now click on the profile icon near the top left and select Settings. Navigate to the App tab and click on Install next to Microsoft Store under Dependencies. If the Microsoft Store is missing on your PC, there should be an option here. And if you don't have the Xbox app for Windows, download it from the web. You don't see it here because I have already restored the Microsoft Store app. If nothing else works, the last option is to perform a repair upgrade. Our website already has a guide on it, which I will add to the video's description. Basically, you have to download the ISO file for Windows, then mount it, run the setup file, configure things a bit, and finally install a fresh copy of Windows. Don't worry, it won't delete your personal files or remove installed apps. They are all safe. The process will take anywhere between 45 minutes and 2.5 hours. That's normal. But once you are done with it, the Microsoft Store will be restored. And yeah, your PC should ideally run faster. We also have a video tutorial on this. It should appear near the top right corner. If you don't see it, click on the eye icon. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.